So here I am back again, doing another box for Clint, same as before, another box of Excalibur. Oh, what a pain. I'll just copy that list. There's the clock there, guys. Just post that into here. As you can see, it's all fresh. I start again each time. Clock, dice, let's go. And we're going 9 times again. Nice and easy. Clock again. Here we go. 9 times. Best of luck, ladies and gents. Let's go. That's 1. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Wayman on top. John on the bottom. Clock again. That's what we're going for. 9 times. Ready, ladies and gentlemen. Best of luck, everybody. Boom. And here we go. The winner is Wayman. Congratulations, mate. Just double check the time again. Put done in here. And then see you again soon for the next one, I guess.